Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make caramelized cardamom tea, and for it we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. We will caramelize it. Now it is caramelized. See, it becomes golden color. Now add little water in it. Stir it with the help of spoon. Now add 1 tablespoon of tea in it and 1 cardamom. Give it a boil. Also add a little bit of coffee in it. Give it to 2 to 3 boils. Now add 1 cup of milk in it. Give it a boil. If you don't like strong tea, then add a little tea in it. Now it is boiled now. Now at the end add a half teaspoon of honey in it and mix well. It will give a rich flavor. Now give one more boil. Now it's ready to serve. Now we'll strain it with the help of strainer. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later in the next video. Allah Hafiz.